Now to do the eyes, I pick the sphere shape and place the sphere in the middle of the eye groove. The size of the eyeball is about half of that shape, and the distance between the two eyeballs is another eyeball. So I'm just trying now to place the first stamp of that eye in a relatively good position. To help me do that, I'm actually going to stamp that first eyeball in the middle, which is the distance between the two eyes. I will put it there as a guide for me, and then I will put the eyes in the socket. I'm pushing them back because they're not as front as the one I put as a guide. Now that I've placed them with the distance between them reasonably right, I can delete that using the delete tool, and that helped me just place them relatively well. And I'm still going to move them back and front just by eye to make it convincing. There is a lot of by eye decisions in sculpture that you have to embrace. Now that I've placed the first eyeball, I can do my simple eyelids, or the first structure of eyelids, by using a cylinder and squashing it with the form gesture. And now to do the eyelid, I will stamp 3 cylinders on each side to get the relative shape of the eyelid around the eyeball. Now, because this is all one sculpture, I am not thinking about articulation or any of that. This is one sculpture designed to all work as one piece. If I wanted to articulate the eyelids, we would do them in a different way. So I'm doing 3 stamps for every side of the eyelid. And then moving them with my move tool to get them in better position. And examine and look around at my eye. Usually this is the point where the eyelid is widest. On the top side, it's 1/3 towards the nose, and on the bottom side, it's on the other 1/3 towards the ear. And now we have the basic shape of eyelids around the eye ready. And now we have blocked out the first stage of the head. I think it's a good time to practice this, get your head around it, and when you're ready for the next stage, go to the next step.